जामुर्क मोखावई खसी ते मुर्क जो आहे कसम चीजची मिठड़ी थन जे हर तुर्क जो आहे कसम मारत रुनत ओ जालिमो ते लुर्क जो आहे कसम कर लो गंदर ए वक्त तो सा आ वतन मां की रहा जल्ला वतन come on with the name of Allah who is the most Rahman and Rahim respectable chief just honorable principal teacher and my dear student assalamu alaikum first of all I introduce myself my name is Halima my class teacher name is Miss Parveen I belong to Futurist Public Elementary School chapter number 17 safe school 2 we are gathered to here for celebrate the culture day today it's our Ekta day and it's like a culture Eid day for all of the Sindhis in the world ladies and gentlemen our Sindh are the unique matchless historical and fearless parts in the world ladies and gentlemen this is the blood God gifted for us फलक में फेरो जमीन में जुम्बिश जड़े भूमि असा समुद्री नजर थी चुकी नवाजिश जड़े भूमि असा समुद्री Sindh which is like our sweet mother and it has been serving and looking after unlimited unbelievable humanity for thousands of years we are proud of our historical culture we are proud of our ancient tradition and costumes we are proud of our rich civilization we are proud of our then I take my seat.